Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn crop production and management. What are the learning objectives? Preparation of the soil for the suitable crop, crops, their types according to the seasonal change, various types of activities farmers do for cultivation of crop agriculture implement use for it, sequence wise agriculture practices, structure and working of plough, hoe, cultivator, leveler, seed drill, etc. Importance of irrigation and about the source of irrigation. You will also learn about the effective use of weedicide, pesticide and insecticide. Crops improvement, crop rotation, organic farming. Safe storage of grains, types of the food product obtained from animal, nitrogen cycle and microorganisms involved in the nitrogen cycle. Now let's move to the definition of agriculture. So what is agriculture? The science that deals with the growing crops and rearing animals for human use is called agriculture. Agriculture began 12,000 years ago. India's 60% workforce is involved in the agriculture. In the world, 40% workforce is involved in agriculture. Now let's see the branches of agriculture. Horticulture means the production of fruit, vegetables. Sericulture, the production of silk. Pisciculture means the production of fish. Apiculture, the production of honeybee. Silviculture, art and science of cultivating tree. Now let's move to the crops. When a large number of plants are grown at the same place, it is called as a crop. Cereals are the tall grasses which are cultivated for their nutritional seeds called the food grain. Different types of crops are there. Food crops, crops grown as food for the humans, animals, example wheat and rice. Second type of crop is cash crop. The crops are mainly grown for profit, not for use of the farmer. Example jute, cotton. Third type of crop is plantation crop. Crops used in the large estate mostly to be sold in the distant market. For example, tea, coffee, rubber, even coconut. So, types of crops once again: food crop, cash crop, plantation crop, horticulture crop. The different types of crops, its meaning and its major crops. Food grain, meaning crops that are used for the human consumption, and the major crops are rice, wheat, maize, millet, pulses, oilseeds. Commercial crops, crops which are grown for the sale either in the raw form or in the semi-processed form. Major crops are cotton, jute, sugarcane, tobacco, oilseeds. Plantation crop, crops which are grown on plantations covering large estates. For example, tea, coffee, coconut and rubber. Horticulture, the sections of agriculture in which the fruits and vegetables are grown. For example, fruits and vegetables. Types of crops based on the season. It is mainly three types: Rabi, Kharif and Jaith. Now let us check it out individually. Kharif crop, it is sowing in the beginning of the monsoon, especially in the June month, and harvesting period is early days of the November where the monsoon end. Major crops you can see: paddy, maize, cotton, millet, jute, sugarcane, groundnut. Rabi crop, here the cultivating month is November, which is the beginning of the winter, and where in the March it is the time for harvesting the crop. The major crops are wheat, tobacco, mustard, pulses, and linseed. Third type of crop is jade crop. So it is showing in the period in the month of March, in the beginning of the summer, and it is harvested in the month of June, where the beginning of the monsoon. Some major crops of the jade crops are fruit, vegetable, watermelon. Some factors that affecting the chrome production: oxygen, sunlight, water, nutrients from soil, protection from weeds and pests, proper storage after harvest, special need of the crop, soil, nutrient, water, and sunlight. These are the